Hello everyone. Today we have another question and it is very important, and you can check the difficulty level of this question is medium level, and it is asked in many company like VMware, Mac Software, SAP Labs. The question says that given a positive integer n, calculate and return all primes less than or equal to n using the Sieve's algorithm. Okay, means we have to find out the prime number from 1 to n using Sieve's algorithm. So this algorithm says that suppose here you have suppose n is given equal to 10 and output is 2, 3, 5, 7. So in this algorithm, first we will create one array. Okay, first of all, I will create one array of length 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And a smallest prime number is 2. Then I will start from here and I will mark every place as 0. Okay. I will check array of 2 equal to 0. Yes. Then the square root of 2, 4. 4 it is not a prime number, so I will mark as 1. Then 4 plus 2, 6, I will mark as 1. 6 plus 2, 8, I will mark as 1. 8 plus 2, 10, I will mark as 1. Then I plus plus, it will go as 3. Check array of 3 equal to 0. Yes. Then a square root of 3, 9. Then I will mark as it is 1 because 9 is not a prime number. So then again increment. Array of 4 equal to 0. No. Array of 5 equal to 0. Yes. Then a square root of 5. 25. 25 is less than equal to 10. No. So go to next. 6. 6. Array of 6 equal to 0. No. Then array of 7 equal to 0. Yes. Then a square root of 7. 49. 49 is less than 10. No. Then here 8 is 0. No. Array of 9 equal to 0. No. Array of 10 equal to 0. No. So then I will start iterating array from 2 again and check array of 2 equal to 0. Yes, so 2 is a prime number. Array of 3 equal to 0. Yes, 3 is a prime number. Array of 5 equal to 0. Yes, 3 is a prime number. Array of 7 equal to 0. Yes, 3 is a prime number. We got the output. So first I will create array equal to new int of n plus 1 and I will start checking for int I equal to 2, I is less than equal to n, and I plus plus. Then I will check array of I equal to 0. Yes, then I will start j equal to a square of I. Then j is less than equal to n and j equal to j plus I and I will mark as j equal to 1. Okay. Then again I will take another loop. Then I equal to 2, I is less than array dot length, then I plus plus. Then if array of I equal to 0, then I will print it. It is a prime number. Okay. So the time complexity of this program is n log n. Okay. And a space complexity log n. Yes, space complexity. This algorithm is called Sieve algorithm. So now I am going to write a code in GFG compiler and try to submit it. If any test cases is not passed, then I will check it again. Here I created not error new in plus one. Now I equal to two. I less than equal to n, then plus plus. I will check if array of I equal to 0, then I will I will take j equal to a square root of I, means the multiple a square root of I. J is less than equal to n and j equal to j plus I. And I will mark everyone as 1. Once it is done, then integer is equal to new array list. Then for n I equal to 2, I is less than equal to n I plus plus. If array of I equal to 0, so I will consider as I is a prime number answer dot add I. Then I will return answer. Now compile and check it. Yes, we got the expected output. So now I am going to submit the code. Running. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.